Hello, my people. Just watch this woman. In fact, whatever business, learn a strategy. Just learn a strategy how you can make it go, how you can get your customers, how you can sell your market. Just watch this woman with her evangelical voice. She get voice, so really she get voice. Just watch her. Thank you.
Jehovah, onwegi onye gị na ya na-achị n'eluigwe ọkakam eze ịdị ebube aha gị juru eluigwe jụwa ayi ihe rịọba m bịa Ieri ọba mo bianuo ọmatata marechi bia ọmatata marechi bia. Father will lift your name higher. Father will lift your name higher. Father will lift your name. Your name. Jesus will lift your name. Jesus will lift your name. He will lift your name. He will lift your name. Jehovah will lift your name. Adonai will lift your name. Emmanuel will lift your name. Hallelujah.